In this discussion, you can see what is the difference between search method and underscore search method. Both are the inbuilt ORM method in Odoo, and what is the difference between two we will see. Go to editor, and now we are performing the all the operations here. I'm using a student profile here, like stud obj equal to self.env school dot student and student search result, like stud obj, then after we have to use like search, and here we have to pass the conditions if we have, but right now I'm not using any conditions. I will just try to use like I will fetch all the records. You can see here the school, the search method. We all know this search method, right, in Odoo. Like it will return the record set. Either you can use something like this, the conditions, then after you can also use limit, then after offset, then after order by, then after count, something like this, right? So something like this we are using in search method. If you don't know about this search method and how to apply conditions, limit and offset, you can see in this channel. I already explained the search method. You have to remember few things is like search method will having a like list of tuple for the condition purpose, then after limit, offset, order by, then after count, all are the optional parameter, and if you are not passing anything here, then it will return all the records from the database. So this is the method, and the return type is always record set, but it is also available in Odoo's official development documentation, but might be the underscore search method is not available. You can see something like this, underscore search result. Now let's see how to use like underscore search method. Stud underscore obj dot, then after what we have to do is underscore, then after we have to use search, and we have to use the same parameters what we used here in search method, like this one, the like list. If we are not passing anything, it means we want to retrieve all the record. Then after comma you can also apply limit, then after offset, then after order by, everything you can use the same as the search method. The only thing is when you try to enter, and once you will try to print here, it will give you only list of IDs, and here you can see search method is return record set of that model, the particular model, and here you can see only list of IDs written. So that's the main difference, and there is no any other difference of this method, and both are working the same one. Only the main difference is the return statement, like return data type is list of integers for the underscore search, this one, and for the normal search you can see the record set. I hope you understood this difference between search method and underscore search method. In case you have any doubt or comment, please comment below, and see you in next session.